Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today I found something crazy and I am here to suggest it to you, so I guess it's the challenge. So, I was in the town today and I went to the pound shop to spend something and I saw this Volcano eruption kit. So I thought this would be a good video thing. So, I thought maybe I could do it with you guys. So, what we have with us today is one sand mix bag, one baking soda bag, one citric acid bottle, one volcano base, one connector tube, and instructions. Matthew got a gun and I got this. Here's the instructions, and here is the sand and gypsum, baking soda.
Oh. So close. I've got 3 goes.
There's a baking soda. Well, that says baking soda. Here's the acid. Oh, by the way, kids, don't be careful with acid. By the way, and this is the volcano base. We're doing it on a plate because I feel like this is going to be messy. First of all, what you want to do...
It's going to be a bit closer, maybe from here.
Right. So the first instruction is connect the plastic tube to the volcano, inserting the tube from underneath the subtraction and in the... I'll be right back, guys, after I do this instruction. Right, guys, so we finally discovered what to do. So you just go like that, and it should be going like that. We're not sure. I think one of us has to hold it down. So while my granddad is reading the second instruction, which he is going to get the thing right now. I am going. LOL. But here's something I'm not unsure about. I have to hold it down because when I take it off, it's just going like that. So I try to, so I'm going to put it on the plate right now. Because, I already told you this is going to be messy. So Matthew just put it on the plate. Keep holding it though. So, going to see what we can do. So let's see.
And guys, if you've had a good weekend,
prepare the volcano. Right, with the... Okay, the camera isn't adjusting to it, so I'm going to have to read it to you. Prepare the volcano mix. First, make all small cut to open a corner of the sand mixture. As seen in picture 2, add 1.3 ounce of warm tap water to the bag. Use a twist tie or tie a knot on the bag before kneading the contents of fully mix. Okay, got that. So my granddad's going to do that.
I'll leave it down and we'll have to fill it down. Right, massive heavy.
Have you added some water to it?
No.
I'll pour some water then.
Yeah.
So guys, as it said, you need to add some water to it. That's what we're trying to do. But we really, we're confused.
Get me another bag out. I'm going to chip into another bag and do it better.
Okay. I'll find another bag. Well, I don't know if we have another tiny bag. Oh, there. Okay. So we're going to put it into this bag. Because, well, that's really small, but this is, bigger. So we can do it better.
What?
I just took a shot and it bounced off the wall, and guess what happened?
What?
It hit the wall and
Yeah.
it fell off.
Yeah.
So
So while they're doing that, while they're doing that, we're going to show Matthew's thing. So he has a gun. It looks like this. The bullets are on the ground. Oh! I'll be right back. So guys, we think we're done.
Your hands dirty now.
Oh, that looks disgusting. It looks like slop. Ugh.
Will it wash off?
Right, so what we got to do here, guys, go put the thing.
Feel it, Hayden.
Does it feel weird? Oh, guys, trust me, that feels weird. Especially with the
Stop now, stop.
bag.
Stop.
Slop. Something.
I'll hold it down for you.
So Grandad's going to get a spoon and get it. Instead of actually just getting a bare hand.
It actually said on the thingy, get a spoon and put it on.
How do you know that?
Because I've looked at the pictures.
Alright. Oh, it turns out we can only use this all once. I didn't know what to do then, because I thought we could use it all in like many times, but turns out no, we can't. So while we're doing that, we're going to try out Matthew's thing. Whatever. I'm so sorry, guys. I had to do that. So guys, that looks like sand, clay. Looks like clay. As Grandad is getting it all over his hands. Can I feel it in person?
If you never bought this,
Oh.
you never had to.
Ew.
Feels
Disgusting.
You've got your hands
So-
so mucky.
Yeah, Grandad's definitely going to wash his hands after this.
Maybe have a bath. It might go in his hair still.
That's all the sand there is.
You're missing like this red part. There's this red part, Grandad. Missing out this red part. Is it drying out? Ah, is it drying out already? It's already drying out.
We've not run out. There's a little.
Oh, this is...
little.
I never knew it could lead to this. The sand looks like that. But in real life it looks like that. Why? Where this is a lie. The baking soda is in this, not a bag. Liars! So liars!
I've got to go and wash my hands now.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go wash your hands. Right, so it's missing this little bit. There we go.
Move.
There we go. So, Grandad's going to wash his hands, because this is incredibly messy. Because, by the way, if you get this, put some gloves on. We're just doing it by hand. Do it by hand. Oh, by the way, guys, while we're doing this, I think this is going to be our last video, because, well, on the phone, because I have a proper camera. Grandad, so I have a proper camera. Oh, there it is. Here, ugh, what is that?
Let the sand dry.
Here.
Well, you've got to let it dry for 20 minutes.
Alright, so I'm going to show you my camera while we are waiting that 20 minutes. So, let's see this. About a second while we're getting a good angle.
In 5 minutes you can...
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the camera I have got. I should be able to make videos on it. As you can see there, this is how you open it. And if I turn it on here, Polaroid, and then shall go on camera, and which I shall see, and then I am going to figure out how to make YouTube videos with this camera, and then I'll pretty much do it with this, and I can bring it all over with me, town, stuff like that, so you can see what I get and stuff. So, that's the camera.
Right, just stop it.
Hi guys, so that was the camera. All facts about the camera.
What do you call it?
Now we've
Very
got mega
nice.
sweets for tonight.
Got mega sweets.
I'm
This is amazing. So I'm gonna actually show you this
Hornswoggle and Hornswoggle.
Polaroid, and then you should see everything. See that?
Right, Ian, you should be able to do
See.
that Sunday better now.
It's been 20 minutes. It's been
No,
no.
5 minutes, it dries out a bit.
Oh, okay. Right, so I'm gonna turn the camera off.
What are you doing?
Yeah? Don't show none of the sweets, you'll take them. Don't show none of them.
So, anyway. So the sun should be a little...
Huh?
Oh, that is so much better.
They got them. How's the sweets, Nana?
Up there.
Yeah.
What did you
Nana's eating one already.
Right, I'll be a second. Right, so guys, the volcano should be ready. So we'll go on to the next.
Like that, though.
Right.
We'd put some of that in.
Yeah.
What?
Well,
What does it say? Put newspaper underneath it.
Where? Oh,
it's gonna
okay.
explode. Baba, Donald Trump. And then you get on Donald Pump.
yeah, we call him Donald Pump.
Oh dear. Right.
Because
Because he pumps.
place a large amount of paper towels or old newspaper at the bottom of the volcanic eruption kit box. Then place the volcano on top of the newspaper. Place the tube over the edge of the box.
This nearly got stuck to the ball.
Haha, there's not a bowl. So, what we are doing right here is Grandad should get it.
Right.
Wow.
Rock hard. The spoon goes
Matthew,
in
put the
it.
spoon in the wash. I mean the sink. Look, it looks so good. Camera.
Right. Where's the baking soda at?
Right, the baking
Right.
soda. Right, it's acid, so
Yes.
be careful.
That is very...
Right, guys, be careful with acid, because it can lead to very much, lots of danger.
Right. Go and get a little table, a little teaspoon.
Teaspoon. We are going to go get a teaspoon. 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 There you go. Teaspoon.
Why should it be in a pound shop?
Teaspoon.
A kid will eat it. Die.
Right, so this is the acid.
Stay
Very
away here,
dangerous.
because it might affect the iPad, the phone.
Right, so I'm going to keep the phone away because it is going to erupt. So, right, so we've done that. And now we're going to get the acid,
Right, I'm getting away.
which... So what does it do?
Stay away as much as you can, Grandad. Boom. Have you paused the video?
That's nothing to do.
Right, is it top missing?
A top.
A
Yeah.
top.
Yeah. Is the top missing?
Oh, no. Oh, that's just... What? What the? Oh, that's not good.
That is not.
That is not good. We cannot go on.
And she dropped it off the box.
Unless they forgot it. Guys, we'll be a second. Okay, guys, so this is a total failure. First of all, the acid. This doesn't have a top, so Grandad's going to have to find a top for it. So let's just call this, I'm going to call it for the title, volcano eruption kit failure. That's what I'm going to call it. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notifications bell, and yeah, I'll see you all guys next time. See ya!